Hi, it's Terrie Hayden with Remax Destiny, and I'm here today with the Somerville Fire Department. And we have a little update on smoke detectors.
Hi, I'm Tom Brown from the Somerville Fire Prevention Bureau. We're doing a smoke inspection for a sale. Testing the detectors. This is a combination smoke and carbon monoxide detector. We'll activate it for you. It's not going to pass because it will not speak to us. All right, the new type have to be speaking. When they're a combination smoke and carbon monoxide, they have to speak to differentiate between a smoke activation or a carbon monoxide activation for your safety.
And that's not enough, right, Tom?
No.
We should expect it to say something to us like...
Should be speaking, saying smoke activation or carbon monoxide activation, one or the other.
Great. Thank you so much, Tom.
You're welcome.
All right.